What's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update. So you want to make sure that you pay very close attention to what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, because it's going to be vital for you in the next 24 hours or less, depending on when you're watching this. All right, now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, guys, let's go ahead and get right into these updates because they are vital, and at this particular point, time is ticking. All right, so let's go over here. We're going to be talking about the price increase that's going to happen on July 1st, okay? Now, these prices that you see on this particular notepad are the new prices. So as I'm going through the new prices, I'm going to tell you what the actual price is right now until July 1st. All right, so here we go. The starter package is $57 a month on July 1st. Currently, the price is $47 a month. All right, now with the 57, with the new plan, right, since Royaltie is an actual marketing platform and not considered a marketing tactic anymore, it has multiple functions. All right, so here we go. CRM access included. Sites and landing pages up to 3. So what does that mean? That means that you can only build 3 landing pages in the starter package. But get this, if you get started with the link down below, right, before June 30th at 11:59, then you'll be grandfathered in and you won't have to pretty much deal with this up to 3. It'll be unlimited landing pages as it is right now for me, because I'm going to already be grandfathered in. So the key here is to actually get started before July 1st. All right, so let's continue. Email support, marketing emails, and online ads. So that's pretty much what we're going to focus on. Pretty much the sites and landing pages, marketing emails, and online ads. All right, so here we go. Marketing emails is $2,500 per month, right, and up to 3. And then right here, this is 5,000 impressions on your business every single month. Okay, that's the starter plan for $57 a month. Now, let's go down here, and then you're also still going to get the ad, email, and website analytics. That's all included. All right, now let's go to the entrepreneur package. Right now, this is $77 a month, but for the new plan, it will be $87 per month with all the other functions. Now, remember, up here, it was 2,500 marketing emails every month, since Royaltie has its own autoresponder, and you can pretty much, it's a hand-free system, okay, at this particular point. All right, so 2,500 marketing emails, that's the 57, and 5,000 impressions. Now, if we go down here, we can see the marketing emails goes up. So that's 10,000 marketing emails and 10,000 impressions every single month on your business. And then right here, the difference between the ad pins, you're going to get 1 ad pin that's going to give you 5,000 impressions on your business every month. And then here, you're going to get 2 ad impressions, meaning you're going to have 5,000 on one and 5,000 on the other. All right, so let's continue to go down, and then once again, all of these are all included. Now, the priority support is not up here on the starter support. Notice that difference. Now, if we continue to go down, the small business package is $327 a month. All right, now if we go here, you can see some of the same things you're going to get access to, but slight differences. So if we look right here, sites and landing pages says unlimited. Okay, so you can build unlimited pages. But remember what I said, if you get in before July 1st, all right, let's just call it June 30th at 11:59, you'll be good and you'll be grandfathered in, and you're going to pretty much get exactly what I have right now, which is unlimited landing pages as well, and every other thing else, because Royaltie has always, held their word. Like if they gave a promise, they stuck with the promise, and everything was smooth. All right. Now, if we go back, let's go back down to the pricing for the $327 a month. So you can see priority support is also included. And then let's take a look at the marketing emails. Notice that says unlimited marketing emails. So you can do how many ever autoresponders you want to do. You're going to be able to do it with no cap. All right, and then right here, online ads included. Okay, this is 50,000 impressions on your business every month. Now, the good thing about this, guys, as entrepreneurs, we need more exposure, plain and simple. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. 5,000 impressions is okay, but it's not anything that's going to help you really be able to test and tweak and do it over and over and over again, right? You want to be able to have, you know, a decent amount of traffic. Even 10,000 impressions per month is going to allow you to basically get your message out, especially since you have two, because I know there's a ton of people who have multiple businesses. So you want to be able to test with this one and test with this one over here. And if you want to get more, you'll be able to test and test and test, right? One of my business partners literally is about to close on a client that wants over 100,000 impressions, and they're probably going to expand from there, because if they have those, what we've been going after, those type of businesses, they have a lot more of a budget that they can pretty much spend to get more exposure on their business. So if people are willing to spend that to get over 100,000 impressions, they got to know that this is going to work, right? Because there's multiple different testimonials out there about Royaltie showing that the proof is in the pudding, guys. I'm currently using it right now, generating leads, and these aren't just email leads. These are name, email, and phone number. So I'm actually able to get on the phone and have a real conversation with people and close people literally from using pretty much my hands-free system. That's what Royaltie has become. Okay, and that comes from just constantly tweaking, testing, finding out which ads are working, getting new leads, following up with those leads. All of these things are extremely important, all right? So let's go back over here. So we were talking about 50,000 impressions, and then 2 ad pins will be included. So that's going to be 25,000 on one ad pin and 25,000 on the other ad pin, all right? So this marketing platform, right, is extremely powerful, guys. Like, think about this. To be able to have a way for you to build pages, right, and then also have automated emails that go out in the same system and advertise in the same system, there's really no other systems out there that allow you to do all of those things. Usually they just have it to where you can build pages and send emails, but you always have to go outside those other systems to be able to run traffic. And that's what separates Royaltie from most of the systems out there, right? So another thing I want to go over is the legacy customers. Okay, so pretty much how this is going to work. If you get grandfathered in, this is only for the people who decide to click the link down below in the description and get started right now before July 1st. This is only for you. So you will go with the 47 or whichever plan that you go with. You're going to be grandfathered in with what we currently have right now. So here we go. For example, if you're a customer paying 47, you will be treated like a starter, except they have unlimited sites and pages. So up here, you can see that you don't have unlimited sites and pages if you wait until July 1st to get started. But if you get started now, you're going to have unlimited pages. You won't fall under this because you'll be grandfathered in. That's where grandfathering in is going to be vital for you, okay? Now, let's go back down. Same kind of concept. Customers paying 77 before June 30th will be treated like entrepreneur. So you will fall under here if you're paying 77. Now, same thing, these last two down here, they're going to be treated like a small business and entrepreneur. Sorry. So if you're paying $297 a month before June 30th, you will be treated like a small business, which is the $327 a month. Now, with the 167 plan that we had before June 30th, you were going to stay at 25,000 ad impressions per month, but you're going to fall under the $87 a month plan, okay? So hopefully all of that is clear. If you have to watch this video again so that you're more clear on what's really going on, definitely do that. Go back through the video, but I highly recommend that you take action before July 1st. If not, you're going to be falling under the new pricing. It would definitely benefit you to have unlimited sites and landing pages, because then you can build multiple pages like I've been doing, very consistently. And Royaltie is a very powerful system, guys. It's literally the only system out there, once again, the only system out there that allows you to build pages, send emails automated, and then also let you drive the traffic within the same system. No other system out there is like that, all right? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if this was helpful, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. I've left my phone number and my Facebook down below in the description box. If you're looking to get started, the first link in the description is the link to get started with Royaltie, all right? All you got to do is, once you get started, just go ahead and, give me a call or shoot me a text, or you can even do it before if you have a few questions before getting started, all right? So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.